Are you looking to stay connected with your international contacts through WhatsApp without hefty charges? Today we are going to talk on using international WhatsApp numbers effectively and ethically. WhatsApp, with over 2 billion users globally, is a powerful tool for keeping in touch. But what if you need an international number for WhatsApp? Here's everything you need to know. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or have family overseas, using a reputable virtual number service tied to your identity can be a game changer. Security is key. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account, and ensure you represent yourself accurately to build trust. Using an international WhatsApp number offers privacy, allows multiple accounts, and saves on international calling rates. Just make sure to choose a reputable provider. Avoid violating WhatsApp's terms of service. Misusing international numbers can lead to account suspension and other risks. Stay connected, stay ethical, and enjoy seamless international communication with WhatsApp.
Callmama, connecting people with loved one.